Hello and welcome to IFL Securities YouTube channel. Today we will discuss whether you should subscribe to the upcoming IPO of Go Fashion India Limited. To get information on all upcoming IPOs, do subscribe to our YouTube channel IFL Securities and like and share our videos. The IPO of Go Fashion will open on November 17th and close on November 22nd. Go Fashion is women's bottom wear brand in India with a market share of approximately 8% in the branded women's bottom wear market in fiscal 2020. The company is engaged in the development, design, sourcing, marketing and retailing a range of women's bottom wear products under the brand Go Colors. It is among the few apparel companies in India to have identified the market opportunity in women's bottom wear and have acted as a category creator for bottom wear. The company was the first company to launch a brand exclusively dedicated to women's bottom wear category and has leveraged this advantage to create a direct-to-consumer brand with a diversified and differentiated product portfolio of premium quality products at competitive prices. Here are the company's financial performance. The company's revenue from operations has decreased at a CAGR of 6.3% from rupees 2,852.47 million in FY19 to rupees 2,506.68 million in FY21. The company's EBITDA and margins have also declined. The EBITDA declined at a CAGR of 23.9% from rupees 799.88 million in FY19 to rupees 463.49 million in FY21. The company also incurred loss of rupees 35.39 million in FY21 compared to a profit of rupees 526.34 million in FY20. The decline in business can be attributed to the COVID pandemic. The company's strengths are women's bottom wear brand in India with well-diversified product portfolio, multi-channel pan-India distribution network with a focus on EBOs and enhancing brand visibility, strong unit economics with an efficient operating model, extensive procurement base with highly efficient and technology-driven supply chain management, in-house expertise in developing and designing products. Company's growth strategies are leverage leadership position in women's bottom wear market, continue to expand retail network with a focus on EBOs, grow sales through online channel, leverage technology to bring cost efficiency and enhance customer experience. Here are the company's valuations. At the upper price band of rupees 690, Go Fashion is demanding a PE multiple of approximately 172.07x based on weighted EPS of rupees 4.01 from FY19 to FY21, which is higher than Page Industries PE multiple of 130.17x. The company's price to sales ratio is at 14.87x of FY21 revenue. Go Fashion Limited's revenue has declined in FY21, which can be attributed to the COVID pandemic. Yet, it was able to restrict its loss to rupees 35.39 million with the help of their efficient operating model. Considering the future growth potential of women's organized bottom wear market, expansion plans of their retail network, strong pan-India distribution network and a debt-free company, we recommend subscribe to the issue with a long-term perspective. Let us look at the IPO details now. The IPO will open on November 17th and close on November 22nd. The price band of the IPO is of rupees 655 to rupees 690. The issue size of the IPO is of rupees 1013.61 crore. The lot size is of 21 shares. You can apply for this IPO with IFL Markets app. Thank you.